Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with Darke County Parks. I'm Mitchell, the Outreach Coordinator, and right now I'm at the junction of the Phlox Trail and the Paw Paw Loop at Route Song Preserve. If you look behind me, there's quite a few phlox out there, so I think that this trail is correctly named, if I do say so myself. We're actually out here picking up trash around the Route Song Preserve. In fact, the staff have been hard at work throughout the spring, cleaning up, spring cleaning up, if you will, all of the preserves across Darke County Parks. So we're gonna bring you along with us, see what we find. Let's go see if we can find any trash.
What you got here, Mitchell?
So if you check this out, this is the flower of the pawpaw. Kind of cool. You can see the terminal bud there. Almost has this weird like crescent shape to it, thin. But then they're all flowering right now. And if you notice, none of the trees have their leaves on yet. So flower first, then leaves, and then about late August into September, they're going to start putting on that fruit that we're all familiar with, the pawpaw fruit. Which of course people like to turn into a lot of delicious dishes. I should remind everyone that you're not allowed to collect in the parks, but we do have plenty of it here. So if you want to see what it looks like and see how much the wildlife loves it, you can come here. But on the note, notice how different the pawpaw is as far as the flower without leaves versus our buckeye right over here. The buckeye's already got its flower on and the leaves are open and starting to kind of unfurl. So there's your buckeye flower, in case none of you have seen that before. Everyone's familiar with the seed, but not so much the flower.
And that'll have a yellow bloom probably, or white a little bit later.
Yeah, a little bit later on. I highly recommend, if you've never seen it, to definitely hit the parks soon, so that way you can see them yourself. Of course, we've got these challenges going on in the parks through our app. So if you haven't downloaded Outer Spatial yet, definitely download it. Gives you a good reason, if you didn't have one already, to come out into the parks and see this for yourself.
Megan's over here checking in right now on the app.
That's right. And I'm still listening to our woodpecker. We have a red-headed woodpecker. We've been trying to get footage of him and he keeps flying away. Red-headed woodpecker, and then the blue jays are also migrating through right now. So there is a ton of wildlife here at Route Song Preserve, and it is a blast taking the spring hike. So definitely get out in the parks. That's enough gawking. Let's go back to trash collection. Okay, well, our trash collection did pretty well. We got a lot here at Route Song. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm glad that we've got it, I'll say that for sure. Great hike, lots of cool stuff out there on the trails. Like I said before, if you haven't been out on the trails this spring, you definitely need to ASAP. There's plenty of ephemeral spring wildflowers out. There's plenty of wildlife out. Plenty of migratory species are coming back. Tons to see out in the parks. Of course, if you're still doing the QR challenge, I totally recommend you come out here. There is one out at Route Song Preserve. But until next time, I hope you guys are following us on Facebook. Please fill out our survey. We've got that in the description of this video. That'll help us out a ton. You can also follow our website for all of our upcoming programs and events. But until next time, I'm gonna collect the QR code myself. So, see you guys.